The New York Stock Exchange has been a form of capitalization for many companies over many years. The stock market as well has been a prominent cause for many depressing times in the history of the United States. Its opening dates back to 1792, and in 2022, it was reported that 58% of adults in the United States own stock sold on the stock exchange. The stock market affects each of our lives, and its behavior is constantly changing. So what do we need to know? In the stock market, there are different trading experiences. Some use money, and others, there's no money required. There exists something called paper trading, for example, which is basically trading stocks of shares using fake monopoly money. This is a great way for new beginners to practice investing and also to gain educational experiences without losing any money. Experienced traders are more likely to purchase shares of stocks using real money. As well, traders will have the option to trade options, which is just an investment strategy that usually requires more research and study by investors. All nationalities, races, genders, and ages can intermingle with the stock market. Conversations from all over the world can be seen of participants evaluating the behavior of certain market characteristics. There doesn't seem to be any sort of certain appropriate place for these types of discussions, as well no certain time frame. There even appears to exist a certain people in this group that don't sleep. Well, maybe not literally, but I mean they're making comments at 3 o'clock in the morning. I know for me, I'm not staying up to read that. The stock market has an important part in culture. Many films have been made about the stock exchange for educational purposes as well as entertainment. One of the favorites being the 2013 film The Wolf of Wall Street.
With a counter at 10 cents a share, and by the way, John, our analysts indicate it could go a heck of a lot higher.
Songs as well can have emotional effects on investors. For example, we have All I Do Is Win by Another song that can encourage risky behavior is The Gambler by Kenny Rogers. Whatever the song or movie be, it can be tied to the stock market and its behavior. The stock market is known for its unpredictable behavior. Its behavior is generally referred to metaphorically as bearish or bullish. Bullish markets tend to call for increased buying, which can inflate to a bigger buying bubble. This bubble can lead to a bearish market or market crashes, where initial effects from these losses make investors choose between fear selling, holding, or purchasing more stocks while the prices are low. The market's behavior arouses many emotions from investors. We can all say it sucks when you open your account and find all these red negative numbers on your profit and loss statement for the day. On public forums like Reddit and Quora, many people will discuss their opinions on what to do, speaking to appeal different emotions, and some people happy, some people fearful, and others are just there to comment and troll other participants. Much vulgar and poorly phrased comments are found on these pages as well, which isn't as common to find on professional articles. Typically, it's the younger, less experienced participants that are found on these social media platforms or online forums discussing and advising in between themselves. Meanwhile, major companies like CNBC, Yahoo Finance, and the Wall Street Journal tend to draw crowds of business professionals and more experienced investors. On these sources, it's more common to find more specific and complicated articles about investing and also different strategies and predictions. To the beginner, these articles can be really complicated to comprehend. Around the clock, in all times and in all places, someone or something is analyzing or discussing about the stock market and its behavior. To my fellow investors, you know that the stock market has affected each and every one of us at individual points of our lives. And we know that unfortunately there is no solution on how to treat the changing behavior of the stock market. So what I recommend for you is to continue your research and develop your own ways on what you can do to personally benefit. And for those of you who haven't started yet investing, like I said earlier, there's a free way for you to start today. You can find a free platform which will give you your educational experiences that will lead you to someday be able to earn and to grow your investment fund. In our day, it's really important that we understand the behavior of the stock market. So start today and learn how you can become the next Wolf of Wall Street.